Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So today I want to go over the updated Quinn Mechanics 428-piece set. Basically, it's very similar to the set that you see in front of you right here. This is actually the older version that was discontinued. You know, I noticed that it's been discontinued a few weeks ago, and I'm not sure exactly when it happened, but that's at least when I saw it on the website. And I was a little bit bummed out about it because, you know, I always thought this was one of the best deals you can get as a kind of an all-inclusive set, especially when it was on sale for 30 to 40% off that they would do sometimes. You know, you could get it sometimes in the low $200 range for everything, and it has pretty much everything you can think of from quarter inch, 3/8, half-inch sockets, and all different kinds of SAE and metric and shallows and deeps, 6-point, 12-point, anything you can think of. And then, a bunch of, bit sockets, screwdrivers, wrenches, a little bit of everything, which I'll kind of go over here in just a quick second. Although I do have a much more comprehensive video that I'll link here at the end as well, if you guys want to take a look at that when I kind of first got this set and set it up. But really today I wanted to just talk about the difference, and there's only really one major difference between the old set and new set, at least that I could see. I haven't been able to get one, in hand yet because they're not available at very many stores. But from going online and basically comparing the two different sets, there's only one real major kind of difference between them, and that's going to be the ratchets. So the old sets, this one right here, came with these the old Quinn ratchets. They're the quick release. They're a bit chunky. But they work for what you need them to do. And the new set basically replaces these guys with they don't have the quick release anymore, but has a significantly thinner head on there. Quinn ratchets. So they're kind of like the Quinn ratchets that are the standalone that you can buy separately, typically at Harbor Freight. Now, for anybody like me that owns this set already, I wouldn't necessarily recommend going out and buying the whole new set just for the 3 ratchets, just because it looks like everything else is pretty much identical, at least from what I could see. If you guys can spot any difference that I'm missing, please leave it in the comments down below. But again, the ratchets are going to be the main difference. And if I can find a picture of the difference in ratchets, I'll kind of put it up right here just so you guys can see what the difference is. But it looks like they kept the pricing pretty much the same. So that was really the only update to the set. And I definitely think it's still going to be one of the best deals on there. Today's video, again, it's going to be a lot quicker than my typical videos because, again, I have a much more comprehensive video going over, all the different pieces that come in this set, and I'll link that at the very end. But today I just want to give you guys a quick overview. So again, I already mentioned the sockets and the bit sockets over here. You're also going to get things like the spark plug sockets in 3/8 and half-inch, all the different kinds of adapters, swivels, extensions, breaker bars, 3/8 and half-inch. And then let me kind of go over a few other things as well. Now, the screwdrivers you see on the side here are not included, but everything kind of in this middle section is included. Now, I did have some questions on my last video about how I organize these things basically, and honestly all I did is, if you can kind of see this right here, these are literally those socket rails that you can buy at Harbor Freight for $1 to $1.50 sometimes when they're on sale. And I just have these 3D printed kind of feet that I call them, that I made for it just to make them stand up so they don't kind of slide around. And that's really it. So it's a very, very cheap organizational system. And I just bought a bunch of different, quarter inch, half inch, 3/8, and just added and removed rails as I kind of needed them to make this setup, like you see here. And the only real kind of exception to that is on these the big half inch over here. Instead of using these socket rails because there wasn't enough space, is I'm just simply using those magnets that you basically see. It's kind of similar to, if I can kind of pull this up real quick, it's like this. Ooh, you know what? Let me pause for a second, and then I will get right back to you. All right, sorry about that. So it's basically similar to these magnets right here that you see that are, always, on sale for a couple of bucks or sometimes given away for free. So I just basically have them, right over here with the half-inch sockets on there. And let me kind of just go over a couple of the other pieces that come, with this set. Give me 1 second here. So if you look right over here, you're also going to get basically all these ratcheting wrenches. You're going to get all these different bits, these nut drivers, a bunch of different screwdrivers. This guy's not included. I just added this in. That's not one of the reversible screwdrivers. But you're going to get all of that. And then let me kind of continue on down here. Ooh, of course, my not cooperating here. There we go. Okay, you're also going to get all the standard combination wrenches in metric and standard, and a bunch of different Allen keys and an adjustable wrench right there. And then that is going to be basically, you know, what you're going to get with the set. The only thing it doesn't really include is any kind of pliers. So, you know, I've kind of added a bunch of Quinn pliers and other things in here just to kind of supplement the set. But again, for a set that comes with, you know, all these different sockets, the ratchets, the screwdrivers, wrenches, both ratcheting and regular, bits, all that kind of stuff, for the pricing that you're going to get when it's on sale, I still think it's one of the best deals that you're going to be able to get. Personally, you know, lifetime warranty like most of Harbor Freight stuff. Pricing is still the same. You know, it has gone up in the last year or so to about $429. It used to be $399, but still, when it's on sale for, you know, 30 to 40% off, sometimes I think it's a great deal. So you might want to wait for that if you guys can. If not, if this is something you guys want to get soon, not a lot of stores have it in stock, at least around me. I'd have to drive in, you know, an hour or two to find one. But they are doing the 20% off of, you know, any one item for Memorial Day if you're an ITC member. So it might be a good time to pick this thing up if you guys are interested. So that's basically the updated set. So again, nothing really changes much, you know, from the previous set outside of the ratchets themselves. So, you know, go ahead, take a look at that. Tell me what you guys think. If there's any other differences that I didn't notice, because I looked at, you know, all the different pictures and description to see if anything was different in the sockets or anything like that. And to me, it looked like it was pretty much identical. But if you guys spot any differences that I missed, you know, please leave it in the comments down below and let me know. Is this something that you guys are excited about, that you're going to pick it up? Again, not really worth the upgrade if you already have this set, because you can probably just go buy the new ratchets for, you know, a little bit of money, especially when they're on sale. For me personally, I typically just use my Icon ratchets when I use this instead. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.